mint streetcar. Nah, it's actually heritage green, but anyway. I'm just going to try and buff that dent, scratch, chip thing out. See, it will make it look a bit better. I'll try some of this first. Oh, it's a fair bit better. Just the chips and obviously the dent left, but I got those scratches out pretty well. And as I was using the cutting compound, you can see some scratches, so I'll use the finer stuff to fix that up. I'll use this fine cut next. Now it's looking better, getting there. I'll use the micro cut last, and then that'll probably do. I could get my machine polisher out, which I will at some stage, but for now, got a car show tomorrow, just gonna do a bit of a hand polish and should be right. Oh, there we go, so 1,000 times better. Just a couple of little chips, but could probably fix them up, and then get a paintless dent repair guy to pop that dent out, and it'll be back to as good as new. Well, you know, for a 28-year-old car. And as that'll have taken off the ceramic coating I got in, I'll just kind of chuck on a bit of spray ceramic wax. That'll just seal it up for now. All done. Catch you in the next one.